Apple just announced a 15-inch MacBook Air with M2 at WWDC 2023. We're here at the Steve Jobs Theater. Let's go hands-on. This laptop is in the MacBook Air family, so portability is still prioritized. This weighs just over 3 pounds and is only 11 millimeters thin. But now you're getting a 15.3-inch display that is 25% larger than the 13-inch version of the machine. That said, the actual display specs don't change much. You get 500 nits brightness and the same P3 color gamut for the Liquid Retina display. Yet having a larger display gives you more you can do, so you can have multiple app windows open and not lose information. But also, the split screen view is a cool way to truly use multiple apps at once. Whether it's for work or entertainment or creativity or gaming, there's a lot you should be able to do with this machine powered by the M2. The larger footprint helps accommodate those speakers, but the added space means that the battery can be larger. But with the higher demand on the screen, we get the same estimated 18-hour battery life that you get on the 13-inch model. The 15-inch MacBook Air comes in the same 4 colors as the 13-inch MacBook Air. You still get a MagSafe charger, a headphone jack, and we were looking at 2 ports on this configuration. All models come with a dual-port adapter, and they start at 256 gigabytes SSD and 8 gigabytes RAM. The machine goes up to 2 terabytes SSD with options for 16 gigabyte and 24 gigabyte RAM. The new 15-inch MacBook Air is the same starting price as the entry-level 13-inch MacBook Pro, so there's going to be a very interesting choice for customers this year. We'll be sure to break down everything you need to know about the new 15-inch MacBook Air, so keep it locked to Tom's Guide. You can check out the rest of our WWDC coverage on social at Tom's Guide, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And as always, I'm at Kate Kozich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.